Batumi's street market scene has a very raw local feel compared to more polished European markets, and that's what makes it interesting. The main one people visit is often referred to as the Bony Market, and it's where everyday life really happens in the city. Rather than being designed for tourists, it's a working market where locals go to buy their daily food. You'll see stalls packed with fresh fruits and vegetables, herbs laid out in bunches, and tables full of Georgian staples, like cheeses, nuts, and homemade preserves. One of the most eye-catching things is churchkhela, those long candle-shaped sweets made from nuts and grape juice, hanging in rows. What stands out is the atmosphere. It's busy, a bit noisy, and full of interaction. Vendors chatting, calling out prices, and sometimes offering you a taste. There's a mix of indoor sections and outdoor stalls, so you can go from shaded aisles to open-air tables within a few steps. It's not just food either. Around the edges, you'll often find people selling clothes, household items, flowers, and random everyday goods. It gives you a proper glimpse into local life in Batumi, away from the seafront and tourist spots. Overall, it's less about sightseeing and more about soaking up the culture. If you're filming or visiting, it adds a really authentic side to Batumi that most casual tourists miss.